Testing my £50 impact wrench. All the bolts were tightened manually to how I normally do it. I would say definitely worth it for £50.